I'm Ed Green. I'm one of the programme leaders on the Part 2 architecture course here at CAT in Machynlleth. Yeah, so one of the things that we're doing right now is we're developing a small project to build a stand at Glastonbury Festival. The stand is building on some project work we've developed over the last 5 or 6 years in response to a few national design competitions. So we've won a number of competitions looking at different construction systems for affordable housing in the UK. One system using shipping containers. We've also been looking at SIP, structurally insulated panels in construction in domestic building, and also more recently using steel portal frames, the kind of construction you use in agricultural buildings normally, combined with materials like straw bale that are very kind of environmentally efficient. The kind of slightly surprising and disappointing thing about that is that as far as we've got, all of those constructional approaches and all of those different materials generally result in building housing that costs about the same money as volume house builders tend to cost, which is between £70,000 and £100,000 per house. So we've been looking at different ways to kind of make really big inroads into the cost of housing in response to the housing crisis, and trying to find new ways for people to build their own homes in a way that they actually enjoy the housing. And so what we've decided is the only way to make really meaningful inroads into those costs is to look at genuinely self-buildable approaches to housing. So what we've done with the latest configuration is we've looked at kind of stripping a house back to the absolute basics, building it all in timber, using skills in construction that people can learn very, very quickly, and using materials that they can get off the shelf from local builders merchants and suppliers. And so what we're going to do at Glastonbury is to build a component about a third of a house at the festival. The students here will be involved in the build. They'll erect the house, and then we'll man it to answer questions at the festival. It should be an exciting thing to be doing.